Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we have mathematics 2. So this is the second week of mathematics 2. So it's the first lecture of the second week of mathematics 2 for BCS students. Today we will discuss the second method that is for used for the solution of the system of linear equations, and that is called substitution method. In the previous class I solved a questions. I had already solved a questions related to the system of linear equation, but the method was graphical method. Through graph, how we were finding the solution set of the system of linear equations. So I have solved already one questions, and some questions were given in the assignment also for the students to try on those questions. But many of the students didn't submit the assignment, so in this week you should try to submit the assignment, okay, through my email ID, because when I will finish this lecture, so I will give you the assignment also for this week, and the end of this week you have to submit your assignment, okay, on my email ID. Today we will discuss the solution of the system of linear equations by using substitution method. Substitute means replacement. So when you have two equations, so you have to substitute one variable on the base on beside of the another variable, or you can say you can replace one variable by another variable, or you can say you can replace one variable instead of another variable. For example, if we have two equations, it means that we have system of linear equation. So I will try to discuss in two lectures. This is the first lecture. After this I will make another video for you. That will be the second lecture. In two lectures I will try to find out the solution of the system of linear equation by using substitution method, but I will discuss the three conditions that in the beginning we had already studied, that when you are solving or when you are finding the solution set of the system of linear equation, so you are facing three conditions. Number first, maybe the two equations are intersecting, because every linear equation representing a straight line, so maybe the two lines are intersecting each other at a single point. In that particular case we have single solution, or we can say one solution. Sometimes the lines are parallel, so the parallel lines are not intersecting each other, so we have no solution. And the third one, sometimes the lines are same, so when the lines are same, so the two lines are intersecting each other at infinite points, so in that particular case we have infinite solution. So I will discuss today the three conditions that we are facing, and I will solve three questions related to each particular case that we are getting when we are solving the system of linear equations by any method, by graphical method, by substitution method, or by elimination method, that we will discuss in the next week. In substitution method you have to search out, this point is very much necessary, that you have to search out that in which particular equation you need to find out the value of any variable. So first of all you will target that particular variable, that the coefficient of variable should be equal to 1. But in this example we have very simple equations, and we can easily get the value of any variable to replace in another one. So first give name to the equation 1, equation 2. Then from 1, from equation 1. Suppose from equation 1 I am trying to get the value of x, so I will get the value of y, so I will shift x to another side. So equation 1 will become like this: y equal to 1 minus x. When you shift this x to another side, so it will become minus. So this will be the value of y. Now replace this value in another equation, that is equation number 2. So here you should write put in equation 2. After putting in equation 2, so equation 2 will become like this. Look at equation 2. X will remain unchanged, minus will remain unchanged, Here you will put bracket and you will put the value of y, which is 1 minus x. After that, you will convert the two variable equation into one variable form like I did here. If you see, here only x we have. Now, remove the bracket and multiply this negative side inside the bracket. So, x minus 1 minus into minus plus x equal to 3. Now, shift constant toward constant, variable towards variable. X and plus x both are positive and both are variable. So, x जमा x चन में शा दो x में शा और shift को मनफियक बदिगा तरफ. So, say मनफियक चन एच में शा मुस्बत yak में शा. Now 2x equal to 4. Now you can easily get the value of x by dividing both sides by 2. If you divide both sides by 2, so x will remain unchanged. And here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the value of x will become 2 by 1 or only 2. Now after getting the value of one variable, now it's easy to get the value of another variable. So put in 1 or put in 2. It's up to you to put in any equation. You can get the value of y because you need the value of x as well as y. So after getting the value of x, then apply this value in any equation to get the value of y. So I am putting it in equation 1. Put in equation 1. So equation 1 will become like this. Equation 1 will become like x, instead of x I will put 2 plus y will remain unchanged equal to 1. Now shift 2 to another side. So y equal to 1 minus 2. This is plus 2 when we shift it. So it will become minus 2. Now y equal to 1 minus 2 means minus 1. So we will get the value of y also. So this will be the solution set. S dot S means solution set. First you will write the value of x, which is 2, then comma, and then you will write the value of y, which is minus 1. It means 2 and minus 1 is the solution set of this equation. These two values, this is the value of x, this is the value of y. This is also the point of intersection when graphically you will draw the graph of these two equations. So you will get the point of intersection whose coordinate will be 2 and minus 1. And here when you are finding the value of x and y, so by substitution method you can easily get the value of x and y. That will be considered what? That will be considered the solution set. Both these values will satisfy the equation. If you put instead of x one equation for checking, so x plus y equal to 1. If you put instead of x 2 plus instead of y minus 1 equal to 1, 2 minus into plus minus 1 equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 1 equal to 1. It will satisfy the equation. The same you can apply here also. So it will satisfy the second equation also. By this way you can find out the solution set of the system of linear equation. So this is the first case that we are facing if we have single solution. In this particular case we have one solution. In the next video, inshallah, I will tell you that how we can find out infinite solution and how we can find out no solution. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.